Decisions have to be made. What are we doing?
I don't know.
So first flooring goes down and we already have to tear it up. Welcome back to another house update video. Today is gonna be all about the flooring choices that we have and the progress to where we're at right now. I've been gone for like a week and a half out of town, and there's a lot of decisions that have to be made at this point. We're kind of getting to crunch time here. We do have a deadline of February 1st to get this home completely done. And right now we're in late November, so it's coming, but I feel like we're making good progress. It's winter right now, so it does get a little cold, so we have this heater here that has fire that spits out of it, and then this big old heater too. I just turned it off because you won't be able to hear us otherwise. This is the entryway right here.
This is the foyer, and we have wood floors everywhere except for right here. We're trying to decide if we should do wood floors and just put a rug over it, or if we do something a little bit fancier. And so we're thinking of doing this black and white marble.
Marble sounds fancy.
It is fancy.
Isn't that something that was popular in like the 70s though?
I know. I just don't know if it's too much. But they accidentally sent us the wrong marble pieces, this light. So you kind of have a visual of what it would be if it were over here, but pretend it's black and white, not this.
Okay, so these are the gray ones. You don't like the gray?
No. That's like bathroom. It was an accident.
So it's like a bathroom because you had an accident? If I'm just looking at it from right here, I kind of like
the black and white you like?
The gray instead.
No. You like the gray and white.
I don't know, it looks pretty good.
The black and white's way better.
You like the black and white?
Yes.
That will match the theme of the home better?
Yes.
Jonathan, what do you think?
I'm staying out of this.
You're the builder.
Wood floor. That's what he wants.
But Jonathan is not the interior designer. He does have good thoughts on things.
He does have good thoughts.
How much more are we paying if we do this marble versus doing wood floors?
This is a little bit more, but not much.
Not much.
Versus wood
Maybe
floors?
$900 or something like that.
Yeah. Nothing.
That's it? You'd think marble would be a lot more expensive
Well,
than
our
that.
wood floors are kind of expensive.
Okay, so that's one of the first decisions.
So what do you think?
Black and white, or gray and white, or just go with the wood floors. You saw the video where we were trying to decide. It's funny because in that video, the one that we ended up choosing was one that we didn't even bring to the house to look at. But it was in the video. I'll put it right here.
You can take whichever one you would
I'm
like.
I'm thinking it's probably gonna be one of these.
Yeah.
Here's the actual wood flooring. It looks way better, the coloring, than what I thought it would be.
This is what it would look like on the floor right there, kind of. I mean, this is just like 3 pieces, but it's gonna go crisscross.
Crisscross everywhere, so it'll be everywhere. Sorry.
Puberty.
So it'll be everywhere in the house except for the kids' bedroom. All the bedrooms will have carpet, and our bedroom will have the wood floor too.
So for sure we're going with that. We're not making any decisions.
No
it's
decisions.
Done deal.
It's done.
This is all the wood floor right here. Like this entire pile is
A
it.
small part of it, that's not even.
Susan, I think we want to change the color of the wood floors. Is that
Done deal.
okay? Okay, question for you. So do you like the gray or the black better?
Black.
Or wood floors for the entry?
Black, because I love Les, but I also love wood floors. But I love black for Leslie. I think she'll be happier with it.
So if we went with wood floors, it would be still a pretty entry, right?
course.
Okay, so this is just the entryway. Decisions have to be made. We need to order it like today, basically.
Yes.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
She needs a minute to think about it. Let us know what you guys think. We need to order this thing soon. The next thing that they've done while I've been gone is they've been working on the bathrooms, so putting ceramic tile, marble. Marble sounds so fancy. Why are we going so fancy?
Because Susan wanted marble. And
Oh,
we
it's
have to have
Susan's
marble.
fault. Did we get a good deal on it at least? So
We
it's
got
not
a
like.
phenomenal deal. So that's the reason why we're doing it.
This is the guest bathroom, or Lincoln's bathroom, and you can see the marble in here. Can I walk on it? It has blue tape on it. Can I walk on it?
You can walk on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the bathroom. You can see Lincoln's bathroom right here. And here's all of the marble that's in here.
The problem with marble, which is a great thing, that it's natural, like a natural stone, is that there's discoloration, so you don't really know what you're gonna be getting. Every piece has different veining and different looks to it. So this coloring doesn't work for us because it's
Which
brown.
coloring?
All this brown and kind of greenish. So we're gonna have to pull out, I think all like.
So this one right here looks okay to you.
Yes.
This one does not look okay to
No,
you. So you don't like the brown marble.
No.
You want it all to be white.
It doesn't have to be completely white, and it can have some gray and bits of brown, but this is like, you walk in and you feel like it's brown. Like
it's
really dirty. It feels dirty to me.
Okay,
So we can just swap those out.
so now we have to rip out all the marble.
I mean, we're just replacing just pieces.
Is that hard to do? Is that hard?
No, they just pop up the ones we're talking about and they'll swap them out. So it's not really crazy.
Easy.
So first flooring goes down and we already have to tear it up.
Yep.
That's part of it.
It's part of it.
Pool break. Look at the pool out there, guys. Oh, they are working so fast on it.
So this is the Dolomite white marble.
Let's see this stuff.
So cute.
So this is it. Here's your Dolomite. Sounds like kryptonite. That's really pretty.
Just a white marble. And it's very classy and true, so that's why the color variation is a lot more consistent all the way through.
Even though it's super narrow, it's really long and it looks so good.
This bathroom is sponsored by Gatorade. I give that a big 2 thumbs up on that bathroom. It looks beautiful. Do we need to rip anything out in that one or are we good?
No, good.
Yes, okay, so that bathroom is good to go. Girls' bathroom is shiny, sparkly. I love that.
This one's my favorite. I wish you could have a light in here, but it is so beautiful. This is the powder bath. It looks so much bigger in here now that the flooring's in.
I didn't know we had a bathroom here.
Yeah, it's just a toilet and a sink, and it can be used for the people that are staying upstairs in the guest bunks. This will be the bathroom they use. This was one of the ones that we selected first, and we knew we were gonna put it somewhere, we just didn't know where.
It looks like it took a lot of work to make these circles and the way that the pattern is. It seems like this would be very expensive. Was this our most expensive tile?
What was it?
It's up there. It's up there, but it wasn't. No, we have a good price on everything, so we.
Okay.
But yes, so if you shop for a material that has these cut patterns, they're typically quite a bit more.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we've got something here too. I didn't notice this. We have tons of tile in this house. It seems like we have a different marble pattern in every single room.
You didn't want it to be really bland and all the same approach.
This one kind of reminds me of like a 50s diner. Like I feel like we need a jukebox and a milkshake machine somewhere.
No.
And like
I disagree.
an old Pepsi or
This
Coke
is what we
thing.
saw when we were in Paris and like the places we were staying this last trip. It's like super classic.
No, it's really nice. I like milkshakes and I like 50s diners.
I guess it does look like that too, but the inspiration was more classic in nature and not
That's
50s.
classic Coke from the 70s, 50s.
I see what you're saying. All of my laundry rooms have truly been like this big.
Tiny, and this is a giant laundry
This is
room.
I think our 7th home we've owned, and every single laundry room has been so small, and I am so excited about
This will look so good when it's covered in clothes and shoes from the
So
kids.
good. Well, I can just move around and actually do the laundry.
This bathroom and that laundry room, I can definitely say they're two
Thumbs
of my
up on
favorites so
that.
far.
Okay, so this is the pantry. When you walk into the pantry, you have a sink right here, and then over here.
Wait, we gotta blur that out. The kids
Oh,
don't
yeah,
know
the
what's
kids
going
don't
on
know.
right
It's
there. We're not gonna tell you what's right there. We beeped that out.
We beefed it out.
There's a little surprise going in the pantry.
The kids don't know about it. That's the reason why we're not telling you. This tile is cement tile. It's from Cement Tile Shop, and
And so this is the only tile. This is cement tile. This is cement?
yes.
What? Oh, that's cool.
Isn't it pretty though?
Is it thicker?
Yeah.
What's the benefits of when people do cement tile like this? What's the value? What's the benefit of it? Why
Same thing. It's an organic material, and it's just really pretty patterns and styles. It's definitely a classic nod, like all across the country. Depending on where you're from, you can get cement tiles that like lean to your area, even back east or Europe. or in
What's the
Mexico.
cost compared to like marble? They're
Probably
pretty
pretty
similar.
similar, yeah.
Okay.
All
Nice.
right.
Pantry. Is that it? Is that all the tile that's been done in the last week? We are going into the master. I guess they've worked on that one too, and I still haven't seen this either.
This one was a little bit of I think, a miss, but the best miss ever.
No, not a
because
miss.
we had talked about not doing herringbone pattern because it cost more because you had to cut it in order to make the herringbone. So it's still gonna be the same marble, it just wasn't gonna be cut.
And it's not as much cost as she thought it was gonna be. So we said, we're gonna do it. It's far less cost than anticipated.
I came in here and I was like, oh my gosh, I sent them a text and I'm like, they're cutting the marble right now. What's happening?
Like, of course they
But
are.
it's the best. It's the best.
Okay, well let's do the unveiling.
Okay.
Do something Vanna White-ish. Here we go. Go for it. That was something.
That was something. And she had the
Look at this. Okay, so this is marble and it's herringbone. Can I
and a
walk
dolomite again. Dolomite.
Dolomite. Dynamite. Looks dynamite in
Dynamite.
here. Why did you ever question not doing this? Look at
Costs
that.
more. That's
That
the
is
reason.
beautiful. We're doing this on here. Are we doing like herringbone tile on the back of the shower too?
No, we're doing a slab of marble, right? A full slab.
Full on slab straight from Italy.
I don't know if it's from Italy,
No, it's not from Italy.
but it's beautiful still. And then this is gonna be wood right here with trim.
Really? I didn't
And it's
expect
backed
that.
up right here. It's a much more cost effective and super pretty still. Because you don't want everything
Is it gonna
feeling
warp
cold.
from all the water and the moisture in this
No.
room?
And the bath's huge.
Leslie takes a bath every night, and it's a hot one, and she watches Netflix.
Me too. It's like my happy place.
What other wood floors or tile floor do we have down?
We have nothing else down, I don't
Studio?
think. No, the studio's not done yet. But that one, you're gonna love that one, I feel like.
Okay, so we just did a bunch of different flooring. We did the cement tile, that's what it's
Yes,
called,
in the pantry.
and then a ton of marble all over the place. Which room was your favorite? I am going to have to say, I really like the herringbone in here.
I'm so
It's
glad
pretty.
that you do.
I know.
That
Thank
makes
you,
me
Susan,
happy.
for doing that, even though Leslie said no, not to. And then the next one I would say is the powder bathroom with those, I like the pattern in there. That one's really good.
I feel like the powder bath was the first one that I saw that was done, and I truly was like, oh, like it took my breath away. I was so excited. And I think this one too. Claire really loves the pantry. That one
Oh, I
makes her
forgot.
super
Claire's bathroom's
happy.
really good.
Oh yeah, they're all
Their
really
bathroom.
great. We're so
Yeah,
fortunate.
very good job. All right, so we still have some decisions to make, but so far the things that are in, I really do like. So there's a video update on the flooring. Next update, stay tuned. We've got another one coming for you soon, and I can't wait to see this flooring go down. All right, see ya. They're already working on it right now. They're putting the wood floor down. You happy with that?